How to delete Google Photos permanently. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video and today I'll let you guys know the ways to delete Google Photos permanently. In order to delete the Google Photos permanently, you'll need to follow this simple method. So first thing first, make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and then to begin with you just have to go ahead and open up your Google Photos app. So let's see if you want to go ahead and delete the particular photo or the video. So let me go with this one. Alright, so if you want to delete this permanently from your Google Photos, then press the bin icon and click on move to bin. However, you have not actually permanently deleted it. This is going to be stored in your device for 30 or maybe 60 days depending on whether that you backed up or not. So you need to go to the collections tab, and from there you want to go to the bin from the top right, and you could see that it's stored in a bin. Now from here as well you want to go ahead and click on delete, which means that you've permanently deleted the photo. So whenever you delete a photo from the Google Photo, it's gonna actually go ahead and store it in your bin. So you also have to make sure to check the bin so that you've deleted it permanently. So that's the ultimate way to delete Google Photo permanently. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.